In our continued pursuit to track and document the wild and elusive Geode, we have once again stumbled across the lone bull. See how he blends in with his environment. We have not noticed any mating behaviors as of yet, nor territorial markings. But we remain ever vigilant and alert, because he can snap at any time. This creature wanders the depths of southern Indiana's forests and ravines, looking for the brightest and shiniest of geodes to adorn his cave with. We're in luck. The mating call of the Geode sounds through the woods. He may spot us at any moment. We must be very careful not to startle him. Watch how he majestically navigates through even the roughest of terrain. Crap, I almost fell down this hill. See how he easily traverses the most difficult of terrain. A remarkable creature, to be sure. We have been sighted, and still he seems to be a gentle soul. He has not yet whisked a Geode discard at us. Behold his display. It would seem that this cryptid has learned English and has found a prize indeed. We have been sighted and must away before he kills us all. The dangerous Geode advances, we must depart. After playing dead for hours on end, the lone bull Geode departs, believing that he is truly victorious. See his victory dance and posturing as he traverses down the hill. He knows we're alive. Or maybe not. So easily, so elegantly, he makes his way after his extreme display of aggression, throwing rocks at trees. We must be quieter now, for if he returns, we will surely die. We take up. There goes the displays again of aggression. He knows that we are here still, but he is still defaulting. A strange and elusive beast indeed. It is believed that he is related to the Sasquatch. He has now discovered an ornamental stick. We believe this may be a courtship display. He's sniffing the stick. Don't ask why. We haven't quite figured out this behavior yet. It is new to us. It is a courtship display. He is throwing things. Most remarkable indeed. And now he hides. Perhaps to advance upon us. We will try our very best Geode call to summon him and see if we can catch his attention. We have his attention. He has sighted us. His display, his rage. He throws a rock and down. He retreats, running like the wind into the bush. You see, the hills are unbearably difficult. It is seldom that these creatures reach adulthood. His displays continue and persist. Even exhausted, he is still a great and virile threat. He marks his territory, trying to ward us off. Sweat drips in his eyes. He has found a stick. He is brandishing the stick at us. We are very afraid. Indeed. He runs runs. We must not let him flank us, for if he flanks us, we will surely die on this day, this auspicious day. And shake. He's found something. He wants to show it to us. It could be a trap. Watch how he bangs into his own hand. The animal kingdom is indeed interesting. He again symbolizes or tells us that he has found something rather large, perhaps hollow. Nope. Yes, savory. We must not fear him. Oh, he has found something else. He is attempting to communicate with us that he has found more of his prizes. Such communicate. Oh, he hides, bashful indeed. So shy. Yoo-hoo! Geode. Communication. He has communicative skills. Pardon my English. It is the Queen's English after all. I believe he said Barrett. A prize indeed.
Barrett.
He's communicating that he hasn't found the mineral barite. And he is pleased. Yep. Engaging in something truly extraordinary. Interspecies communication between cryptid and human. Oh my goodness, he knows silicon dioxide. Of course he does, because he has the Geode.
Brown.
Brown. He knows his colors. It would seem that somebody has educated him in the ways of human beings. Majestic creature. Watch how he poses. With his upper lip high in the air, by which to scent us. He smells us. Or himself. He is musking. After another harrowing encounter with the beast, he has begun to return from whence he came. He dances, miraculously working that pole. We should throw dollars! No, alas. We believe that perhaps the behavior has been learned from some of the area stripping cryptids. Those are foul beasts indeed. And now he goes. Could it be? To his humble abode, a cave in the hillside. His calls indicate that he is comfortable there. And he has found yet another geode. Magical, truly. He is saving us for sure. We must away. However, we do have this entire ravine protecting us from such a monster as he. The Geode has indicated that he has not only seen us, but he wishes for us to join him. However, the terrain is dastardly, even for my old brittle bones. You see, I have a bum leg. And a bum. Oh, there you go. I have to zoom in. This is what I have filming. He says he feels like Frodo. It would seem that he has learned literature. Not unlike Lord Greystoke, perhaps better known as Tarzan. The creature has mastered his humanity. A great mimic, it would seem. We are apt and inquisitive and are expert at learning his teachers and tutelage, whoever it was that taught him how to mimic so well. Perhaps it was the rest of the creatures that he's eaten. We would assume that he likes to eat us. Goes back to being shagged by that red parrot. Indeed. Show us.
You ready?
Come now. Come now and show us. Show me. Oh,
Barite
Oh.
everywhere. You got some nice perches in there.
look at that. There's like, what appears to be a little
Crazy.
bit of dolomite in there as well.
Yeah, it's crispy.
Oh, it's crispy. It's gorgeous. See?
Huge calcite spire.
Yeah.
Get some iron out on the way back.
Yeah. What do you mean on the way back? You're going back to your cave.